Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to lower your Toyota Tacoma. We'll cover a straightforward method that many enthusiasts use to achieve a sportier look and improved handling. This process involves modifying the suspension components to reduce the vehicle's ride height. It's a popular modification for those seeking a more aggressive stance and better on-road performance. Let's dive into the steps involved. For the front of your Tacoma, you have a couple of primary options. Lowering springs are a direct replacement for your factory coils, typically dropping the front by 1 to 3 inches. Alternatively, drop spindles are an excellent choice as they relocate the wheel hub higher, effectively lowering the truck without compromising suspension travel. Both methods offer distinct advantages depending on your desired ride quality and drop amount. Moving to the rear, lowering blocks are a common and relatively simple solution. These blocks sit between your leaf springs and the axle, effectively lowering the rear by 1 to 3 inches. Another option involves modifying your leaf springs, such as removing 1 or 2 leaves or installing a lowering shackle kit. Each method provides a different level of drop and can impact ride comfort, so choose what suits your needs best. After lowering your Tacoma, it's crucial to get a wheel alignment to ensure proper tire wear and handling. You might also consider installing shorter shocks to prevent bottoming out, especially if you've achieved a significant drop. Remember, safety is paramount, so double-check all your work. And hey, if you're looking for ways to streamline your daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Consider subscribing if we helped you.